Planning your meals can help you to make healthier choices, save money, and reduce waste. We've planned a week of meals that will give you a balanced, heart-healthy diet whilst helping you to control your spending. Amounts given are per person. So in this video, we will discuss how to plan meals for a healthy week. Hello and welcome back to Healthy Dad YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more informative and unique videos. Let's get started. Benefits of meal plans. A 7-day meal plan can help someone maintain a healthful diet. The advantage is that people can plan their shopping, preparation, and cooking, and avoid buying and eating unhealthful foods on impulse. A person can also batch cook meals and freeze them to save time. Additionally, buying ingredients in bulk and using them for meals throughout the week may be more cost-effective. However, as recommended intakes vary according to age, sex, and activity levels, the meal plans are flexible, allowing people to adapt them to suit their dietary needs. People can substitute many of the ingredients in these recipes for easier to find or cheaper ingredients with a similar macronutrient profile, for example, quinoa for brown rice or edamame for garden peas. 7-day healthful meal plan. Day 1. Breakfast. Smoked salmon and egg on a whole grain bagel with a portion of watercress, a medium low-fat mocha drink. Morning snack. A portion of hummus and raw vegetables for dipping, 2 oatcakes. Lunch. A bowl of bean and vegetable soup drizzled with extra virgin olive oil, 1 slice of whole grain seeded bread, a portion of raw full-aside lightly steamed vegetables, such as carrots, broccoli, or garden peas, and a portion of fruit. Afternoon snack. Chocolate and ice cream. Dinner. Greek mac and cheese casserole, a portion of steamed broccoli, asparagus, or another green vegetable. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts for dessert. Day 2. Breakfast. Berry smoothie with protein powder. Morning snack. 2 rice cakes, spread with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and topped with apple slices. Lunch. Tuna salad sandwich on whole grain bread. A small bag of root vegetable chips, sliced crudités, such as carrots or bell peppers, and a banana. Afternoon snack. Raspberry frozen yogurt pop. Dinner. Salmon with pineapple avocado salsa and a portion of leafy greens. Cocoa chia seed pudding, a handful of strawberries, and an oat milk hot drink before bed. Day 3. Breakfast. Oatmeal with banana, pumpkin seeds, and a drizzle of maple syrup, coffee with low-fat milk. Morning snack. Chocolate peanut butter cup, apple slices. Lunch. Mashed avocado, roast turkey, and chopped tomatoes on 2 slices of whole grain toast, topped with extra virgin olive oil, shelled hemp seeds, and cayenne pepper, a handful of blueberries. Afternoon snack. A portion of hummus with raw vegetables for dipping and 2 oatcakes. Dinner. Chicken and vegetable stir-fry served with 1 cup of steamed brown rice, 2 squares of dark chocolate, and a handful of walnuts. Day 4. Breakfast. Apple and peanut butter on a whole wheat English muffin, 1 cup of low-fat milk. Morning snack. Carrot cake energy bar. Lunch. 1 medium baked potato with 100 grams of beef chili and 28 grams creme fraiche, a side serving of green beans or peas. Afternoon snack. A boiled egg, 2 oatcakes, and a portion of arugula. Dinner. Veggie Korean bibimbap, kombucha drink. Day 5. Breakfast. 40 grams granola, 100 grams unsweetened Greek yogurt, 100 grams blueberries, 3 tablespoons flax seeds, coffee with low-fat milk. Morning snack. Tofu egg salad stuffed with tomato. Lunch. Tuna salad sandwich on whole grain bread with plenty of salad vegetables, such as cucumbers, peppers, diced tomatoes, lettuce, a banana, a handful of nuts, 1 sliced orange, a cup of lemon and ginger herbal tea. Afternoon snack. Vegan oat chocolate chip cookie, apple slices. Dinner. Rotisserie chicken tacos with pineapple salsa, a small baked sweet potato, a portion of arugula, and 2 squares of dark chocolate with a handful of walnuts. Day 6. Breakfast. 2 quinoa edamame egg muffins, a portion of grilled tomatoes and mushrooms drizzled with olive oil, and a glass of almond milk. Morning snack. 2 rice cakes spread with 2 tablespoons peanut butter and sliced banana. Lunch. Slow cooker black bean soup, a portion of watercress, roasted squash with paprika and rosemary. Afternoon snack. Lemon, pistachio, and berry frozen yogurt bark. Dinner. 1 medium baked potato, 100 grams chili, 28 grams creme fraiche, a portion of leafy greens, and 3 squares of dark chocolate with a handful of walnuts. Day 7. Breakfast. Sardines on 2 slices of whole grain toast with spread, a portion of fresh spinach, medium low-fat mocha drink. Morning snack: 1/4 cup Brazil nuts and a banana lunch. A grilled chicken fillet with 1 cup of cooked broccoli, half a cup of cooked carrots, 1 corn on the cob, and an orange. Afternoon snack: a slice of spinach and tomato frittata and 1 serving of green olives, kombucha drink. Dinner: slow cooker sweet potato curry served with 1 cup of cauliflower rice, 1 wheat paratha, and a satsuma. That was all about today's topic. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.